We're gonna make a brain and dissect it. Okay, this kit here, 10-in-1 growth experiments. I got for Christmas. Okay. 2 big scoops of agar powder. Carefully add 3 drops of red coloring. Okay, so let's do the agar powder.
I'll hold it.
Okay, we're gonna get 2 scoops of. Where's the scoops now? Here's another experiment we did. See the oil and mixing that. Remember that when we did that?
Mm-hmm.
And it was bubbling up. We'd done some of that before, so we didn't record it. Anyway, we did that. Okay, what size scoops? 2 big scoops. Is that the biggest scoop we got? I think so. 1. 2. Okay, now you know what agar does, huh? Lab assistant?
No.
It's a solidifies. It makes, you can use it to make media. Makes it semi-solid. Okay. Carefully add 3 drops of red coloring. Where's this 3? Ooh, red dye. Here we go. He's gonna have a red brain.
3 drops.
Yeah.
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
That's probably 3. Mix it up. And then we're gonna microwave for 60 seconds. So maybe we should pause now.
Okay.
Okay, time is up. Now we're gonna pour it into the mold, but I realized we might not have enough agar. Maybe we'll put 1 more scoop of this in. Hold this for a minute, lab assistant Luke. Where did I put the, oh there it is. There we go. Now this should hopefully work. And we'll microwave it. Okay, so we microwave it for a minute, and then we have to let it sit for 5. That's what we've been doing. And since nobody wants to sit there and watch that, right? Paused it. Let's microwave it for a little bit longer. Like 30 seconds.
Okay.
We're gonna pour it. Let's see, what are we gonna do now? Did you unpause it, Luke?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now we're gonna let's get a plate.
Okay.
Just in case we get any spills. Here. I'm gonna do about 3/4 full, so almost to the top. There we go. Let this solidify. In the meantime, we can make some eyeballs. I'm gonna put this in the fridge for an hour.
Okay.
Okay, now we'll come back and do a second part in a little while. Okay, I gotta put this in the fridge for an hour. Okay, let's just stop it.